sorting my pens and my jewellery. Good morning and welcome back to my workshop. And in today's video I'm sorting out my jewellery. I've made a new stand for my jewellery and I've made my pen box tags and my pen tags. The first thing I did these slides and a slide holder for my pens. So when I display them at the craft market, it's just so much easier and neater. So the price tags, what a difference this made. They used to have those little cardboard string tags and it looked very untidy. And it also hid half of the pen. So with these tags, what a difference. What a difference. Very happy with that. The benefits of having a 3D printer. All these tags were printed with the 3D printer. There's a blank. And then I did the price tag and glued them together, and that's what they look like. And they slide in behind the pen. And then the actual pen box, I just unscrewed the handle, designed it in such a way that it doesn't obstruct the handle. And this is what they look like. Those are the handle screw holes, and that's the slide. Very, very happy with that. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is sort out and tag all this jewellery. I'll do one to show you. That's what they will look like. Just need to find the flip side. There we go. That slides in upside down. The chain, you pull the chain behind and remove the glue strip, glue it together. I'm going to punch the hole, and the next step is I will display them on my new display stand, which I'll get to. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, this is the last one for now. There's so many still to do. But I think that should be enough to fill it. Okay, so there's a whole stack. I think what I'll do is I'll take photos and put this on my Creative Custom Arts WhatsApp group. And if there's anything there that people like, they can come to the craft market. Okay, I'm going to put all this one side. Oh, there's so many to do still. So many to do still. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is actually show you the jewellery stand that I've made. Okay, let's move this way. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of prep for the craft market. Actually, what I'm going to do is turn that around and bring you in close to that side. And there you go, that's the new stand. There's some armbands or bracelets. And these are here to actually top that up. And then I just need to punch holes in these and then hang them up. So what I've done, if you look at the back, I've 3D printed a rail where this actually clips into, and then these are loose so you can actually adjust them. Yeah, so that's the stand. At the bottom there will be jewellery boxes or jewellery box sets, and up here square box displays with more jewellery. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is punch and hang, sort all this out, and that should do it. And there you go, that's all done. Enough stock for now. Pens are sorted, tags, happy with that. That just makes life so much easier at the craft market. So if you enjoy content like this, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like. If there's any questions, any comments, let me have it in the comment section below. And for all your crafters out there, enjoy your arts and crafts and your craft markets. And until the next time, lekker lekker.